Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Cubot P50. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Cubot. From here, select Send on an Android and Receive on Cubot smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and select Send over here. This way you will select all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go into Photos category. Select only one, tap on Send and click on Got it. Now on Cubot, choose Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. Finally, now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing Allow and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and then tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!